Harvey, Mom.
Henry, can you sing it?
No.
Do you know how it goes?
Harvey.
Harvey?
Yeah.
Lo, how's the song go?
Happy birthday to you.
How's he queen?
Who are you singing the happy birthday to?
Grampy.
Yeah.
Grampy the Bigfoot.
How old is he?
3.
Can you sing, Henry?
Harvey doesn't need his queen name. I'm broken him.
Henry, can you sing happy birthday?
No, I will broke him. I'm broken him.
Lo, say I love you, Grampy.
I love you, Grampy.
Can you blow him a kiss? Try it again. Do it again. Can you try it, Henry? Can you say go green? Go white?
Wait.
Can you say hi to Sammy and Elmo?
Hi, Zoomin'
I say we no more.
Alright.
I broke Harvey.
Open my